How to recover Roblox account without email or password. So this is all very easy. You just have to go to roblox.com. So I will be showing you two methods here. If you want to open your Roblox without your email, you must have your phone number, a number that you have linked to your Roblox. So if you don't have one, then just stay there because I will be showing you the next method, which you don't need to use your phone number. So tap forgot password here, and then here you just have to tap use phone number to reset password, and then you just have to enter your country and then phone number. Then once done, what you're going to do here is to click submit. And then, of course, you need to verify that by just entering the code here. Okay. Enter the code, click verify. And then after doing this, you can now change your password. Okay. Change everything to your Roblox. Okay. So this is the first method. The second method we have here is go to Roblox support. Okay. Tap this one. And then you just have to provide your date of birth. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply enter your username, first name. If you don't have an email address, it's okay. Now, issue details, please provide, and description of issue. You must be very specific that you want to recover your Roblox account and you forgot your email address and you forgot your username, something like that. Once done, what you're going to do is to click submit. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.